Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 29th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please post attendance. PST. All PST documentation should be current. PST is meeting today. Cell phones. If a student brings a cell phone, it should be in their backpack and powered off. And outerwear. Make sure your students are wearing jackets or sweatshirts that follow the uniform policy. There should be no hoodies. Today's late duty is Miss Weaver. Tomorrow, Miss Washam, and Thursday, Miss Wolf. Important dates. This week we have our ACAP testing for 2nd and 3rd grade math, and we have some ACAP alternate happening. Today we have PST, and on Friday we have our honors walk at 1 p.m. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.